Nakatanging gabi ang hari ng telebisyon, the king of comedy himself, the one and only, Dolphy.
You're walking along the street, or you're in a party, or else you're alone and then you suddenly think. You're looking in someone's eyes, you suddenly realize that this could be the start of something big. You're launching at 21 and watching your diet, declining a shallow boost, accepting a fit. When up on the clear blue sky, it's suddenly gal and guy, and this could be the start of something big. You've heard me before, been down on the floor. You said I didn't have the stuff to make a break. And to make matters worse, I got abandoned by the source. But then I made my choice and feel the part I play. I realized I had to come back fighting. To have it all, I had to pay the price. If I ever had to go down looking for the light, I never ever give it up without a fight. I got what it takes, I just can't be defeated. I got what it takes, I can't be fooled no more. I got what it takes, you'll never ever catch me pinned down on the floor. You can pull me aside, but you won't hear me cry like before. Oh no! I got what it takes, I just can't be defeated. I got what it takes, I can't be fooled no more. I got what it takes, you'll never ever catch me pinned down on the floor. You can pull me aside, but you won't hear me cry like before. No more, oh yeah, no more. I've been hurt before, I've been down on the floor. No!
Maganda. Kubo po sa inyong lahat, mga kaibigan. Laguto ka niya ang buto ko.
Mang Dolphy, maaga pa, hinihingal na yata kayo. Abay, 1 oras at kalahati itong programang ito. Kaya pa ba ninyo?
Ay, kaya pa. Tado, sino ba yun? Kaumpisa ko pala, inaalas ka na ako. Mga kaibigan niya, natutuwa naman ako. Makikita na naman tayo linggo-linggo. Magkakasama tayo sa naiibang palabas. Ito pong palabas nito parang special eh. Marami ako dito nga makakasamang mga magagaling sumayaw, magagaling kumanta, mga paborito niyong artista, magagaling sila. Pero ikaw nga kompleto ang rekado, balanced diet. Kanya ito pagbubutihan ko para sa kabutihan ninyo. Alam kong mahirap ito.
Kaya mabuti pa ay magpahinga tayo muna para magawa ninyong lahat ng dapat niyong gawin sa gabing ito.
Hindi ba tarantado niya? Para kang brownout, ha? Kung kailan nagkakainitan, tsaka ka pumapasok. Mga kaibigan, ang gabi nito'y para sa inyo.